maybe next week, 2 new Rhea birds to raise. How cool is that? And even $30 hanging baskets of Kentiana. We have the Aloha, Hoya, or Hoya.
In my days,
Bigger
we
than
used
my
to
hand.
just hang out, you know. Open
And
a couple of beers,
beautiful.
grab the fishing poles, and head down to the creek.
$15
Jump in
stranded
and wrestle a couple of
dolphins.
gators. But that one
And
main
larger
gator
if you
turned
don't
out to
wanna
be
wait.
this beautiful older woman. We laughed, she took me under, and I never wanted to come back to the surface. My God, I'll tell you. But you see, in this thing that we call life, you may have people try to stop you of greatness, but no one can stop you of your drive, except for yourself. So here I am, trying to achieve greatness. Well, gonna achieve greatness. Check me out.
Hey guys, I'm going down to the nursery and I noticed the Rhea birds follow me out when I just took out some wood to the burn pit. We'll check them out on our way to the nursery. Oh, they're getting really big really fast too, don't you know? Hey Bean and Weenie. People ask us about tours, and we're still not open to tours, you guys. We got our legal man on the case, and hopefully we'll be open to tours really soon. But as for now, we're still landlocked here at the animal facility. But we're still growing, and we have new additions coming. Maybe next week, 2 new Rhea birds to raise. How cool is that? Rhea birds live in groups, kind of like humans, I guess, little family groups. So we figured not just 2, we're hoping to have a small family group, maybe what you would call a breeding colony one day. So we're pretty excited for that. All the goodies Pop has planted for the garden. The garden's doing pretty good because we've gotten a lot of poop donated. And it's making the soil really rich, and our greens are doing really well, and onions just seeded, so we'll plant those, and we'll plant all of the stuff that Pop grew for us. We'll start on the outside here. We have some hibiscus for $15. We have yellow, double peach, double reds, and pink? Do we have pink? We don't have any more pink left, but those are all $15. We have Chatty Cathy, 2 of them for $25. We have Fiestas for $18, and I didn't mean to cause an emergency listing my low prices. Look, they said that our prices are so smoking hot that they had an emergency. For $18, we have double peaches also, and the Fiestas. Lost some of its blooms for now. We have purple sapphire bush and a tree, Tacoma tree, really cool signature plant, shrimp plant, gardenia tree. We have a few loquats that are large, medium, dwarf Cavendish banana. We have a few ferns, crimson queens, Hoya Hindu rope, only 1 or 2 or 3 to choose from. Tricolor princess, jade Hoyas for $5. Backtrack the crimson queens are $12. Hindu ropes are $15. Princess tricolors are $12. We have Hoya exotica for $25 and a hanging. Kentiana and a hanging for $25. We have nice full $30 baskets of Kentiana too. And even $30 hanging baskets of Kentiana. We have the Aloha, Hoya or Hoya curtsy for $30. Some really nice tricolor princess for $30. Nice and full. And about a dozen Hoya Cari or Cari. 1 Hoya splash for $30. We have a few different sedums in stock, including some larger furrow tails. Sheep tail, lamb's tail, I think, and lots of other ones to choose from. We have $1.75 succulents, $2.50 succulents, and $3.50 succulents. $3.50 Airplants and $5 Airplants. Good variety of $15 rabbit foot ferns, which are just lovely. $2 cactus, $4 cactus with one about to open up. $12 larger specimens. We even have a few larger awesome choices. We have a few different night bloomers, shark bone, and I think what is queen in the night, but it may not be. It is not marked. And we have a couple curly Sues. We have monsteras, mini monstera, and Swiss cheese. Black velvet alocasia, Birkin philodendron, enjoys, what I think is a neon pothos or moonlight pothos. We have some peperomias, included variegated watermelon. We have zebra plants, polka dot plants, silver Ann, Schinopsis, silver satin pothos, neon pothos, Brazil pothos. For prayer plants, we have medallion, peacock, red calathea, Calathea albiflora, rattlesnake, pinstripe. We have $6 fly traps, and corkscrew grass, sansevierias. We have these lovely variegated leaves and with some bloom on it. One with the begins with an F, I believe. If so, I'm going to put the name across the screen, or maybe you might know it. I have to Google it one more time. So dragon finger sansevierias for $3.50. Starfish sansevierias for $8, and larger ones for $15. Really cool. There's the $15 versions. Really large. Bigger than my hand. And a couple beautiful bird's nest. Hawthorias and aloes. We got the $2 ones. A little larger for $5 and $6. Lots. And lots. And lots to choose from in the $2.50 area. And the $3.50 area. I have some larger aloes for $8. Aloe vera to be specific. This unique variegated type for $3.50. Or large and fabulous for $8.50. It's not all you'll find for $8.50. We have other more rare aloes than Hawthoria, and other large succulents too. Still have $15 string of dolphins, and larger if you don't want to wait for them to grow. Still have $20 string of bananas, or $40 and $45 versions if you don't want to watch them grow. one single $5 string of hearts. There's a string of pearls. We were able to pick up some $25 versions, so you don't have to wait to watch them grow. We have $8 string of hearts and $25 string of hearts, but we've actually watched them grow since they've been here only for like a week and a half. All of that is all new growth, so very vigorous growing pattern. Still have lots of peppers, herbs, tomatoes, and more, including some unusual lipstick plant called the Black Pagoda. Alright y'all, it's Cherise from Crazy Plants inviting you out, hoping that we have something that you don't have in your plant collection, because 100% of all plant sales will go directly to helping us build the bird aviary for rescued parrots and other types of birds. Where I guess you could buy a plant from a big box store, but hey, you don't know where your money is going, and here you do. Located at 22919 County Road 44A in Eustis, Florida, you can type Crazy Plants Nursery right into your GPS, as we are a Google Map location. We will be open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday 10 to 3 this week. We hope to see you here.